Hey friends, today we are going to see how to manage SharePoint Online completely with PowerShell. Okay, so you can always manage SharePoint Online using the GUI, but the most preferred and effective way is to use the SharePoint Online PowerShell. Okay, so first I will open the SharePoint Online from the GUI. So it's HTTPS loads. So this goes the way. I'm just going to open the SharePoint Online. It will ask me to sign in. I will accept that. You can see sometimes GUI is very slow. So that is also one of the reason why uh, it's beneficial in using the PowerShell command. So this will be your SharePoint Online, console, admin console. Okay. Um, so let's start using SharePoint Online PowerShell. So the first thing we have to do is download the SharePoint Online PowerShell commandlets and install it. Okay, it's add-on to the PowerShell, default PowerShell, so you can download it from the net. I will share the link in the comment section where you can download. Okay. So once you download and install it, double click on SharePoint Online Management Shell. The first command that we are going to see is how to connect to SharePoint Online. So the command is connect SPO service. Okay. So the command is connect SPO service URL. Okay. Then your SharePoint Online admin URL, that is your account name admin sharepoint.com credentials, and your SharePoint Online account admin at whatever your account is. Hit enter. It will ask for the password. Click OK. If it's successfully connected, then you will get a blank prompt. Okay. So once you see that, it means that you are connected to the SharePoint Online. So now you are connected, but how to confirm that you are connected? So use this command, get SPO site detail. So this will list all the SharePoint Online collections in your site. Okay. So now you confirm that you are connected, and you can see all the SharePoint Online sites. Okay. So to get, you want to know what all commands are there in SharePoint Online. Okay. You can use this command, get command module uh, Microsoft dot SharePoint Online. Just give me a minute. Paste it here. No, it's not copied. So get command module. Okay. Microsoft dot online dot SharePoint dot PowerShell. So this is the PowerShell module in which all the SharePoint online commands exist. So when you install the add-on, this will install this module. So hit enter. You get to see all the SharePoint online commands. I suggest that you export it to the Excel file. So export hyphens CSV SharePoint commands. So this will download all the commands to on your desktop. So it's more readable now. So as you can see, it has a verb and a noun format, which all SharePoint command has. Okay. So this is a very useful command. So get hyphen command hyphen module Microsoft.online.sharepoint.powershell. So it will list you all the SharePoint online PowerShell commands. Okay. So let me clear the screen. The next command that we are going to see is to list all SharePoint site collections. The command is get hyphen SPO site. SPO is the starting for all SharePoint command. SPO is the product name SharePoint Online. So all the SharePoint Online command starts with has a SPO in the verb noun format. Okay. So all your noun starts with SPO. So just remember that. So to list all collections, get hyphen SPO site hyphen detailed, and I format it into a table and I auto size it so that it fits exactly in my window. Hit enter. It's going to list all the site collections in my SharePoint Online website. So to list all site collections, it's get hyphen SPO site hyphen detail. If you want to see list of all SharePoint Online templates, the command is get hyphen SPO web templates. So let me paste that. Get hyphen SPO web templates. I will just select the name and the title. Okay. So this will show me all the SharePoint online web templates available. There's a team site template, blog template, document center, developer site, records, project site, business intelligence center, community site. Okay. So there are multiple sites available by default. So these are the various templates that are available based on which you can build your products. So based on your requirement, you can select appropriate, templates. Okay. Uh, the next that will command that we'll see is how to create a new site collection from the PowerShell. Okay. So to do that, the command is new hyphen SPO site. Okay. You have to pass on the list of parameters to that command. So I will take you through the command. Okay. So it's new hyphen SPO site hyphen owner. Okay. Then you have to give the admin username, admin at your account name on Microsoft.com. You have to give the storage quota, how much quota you want to allocate. Okay. hyphen URL. All these are mandatory this one, so you have to make sure you have to give all these things. Hyphen URL, your SharePoint online URL, that is https slash slash your admin account dot sharepoint.com slash sites, and what is the site name that we want to create. Here we want to create test011. Okay, do not wait. We again mention the resource quota, just 25. What template we want to use. So I want to use a EHS hyphen hash one template. uh, I select the time zone. Okay, and what is the title of my website. So once you enter the details, hit enter, and it will take some time for the SharePoint Online to create the site. Voila, it created your site. So all the same thing that you see in GUI can be done very fast using SharePoint Online. You just have to change few, just the URL, just the site name, I think, just the site name, okay, uh, and template if it changes, and the title, and you just can come and paste it in SharePoint Online, and within few minutes your site will be ready. So to confirm whether our site was created, we are going to use our old friend get-spo site command. Okay. Hit enter. You can see our new site is created, test011. Fantastic. So you can see how easy it is to create a site collection using command shells, SharePoint command shells. Okay. Okay, now we have created one site. Let's say we have a requirement to create multiple sites. So it's going to take hours for us to do it in GUI. Every time you have to open the GUI, create new site, do that. So today I'm going to show you how to create bulk sites using PowerShell. Okay. So there are some mandatory fields that we need to provide as input. Okay. One I said is the owner name, storage quota, URL, resource quota, template, time zone ID, and name. Okay. So these are the mandatory fields which you have to create. So I will open a notepad. And I have already created this, so I will just paste it down here. So these are the four sites I'm going to create: team site 01, blob 01, project 01, and community 01. So as I said, you have to give it in this format: owner, storage quota, URL, resource quota, template, time zone ID, and name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mandatory fields. Okay, and hit enter and separate it with comma. Okay, each value, and I'm going to save this file as in my desktop. Site collection.csv. Not a text file, it's a CSV file. You have to save it as a CSV file. Okay, so I should see that in desktop. Yeah. So I'm going to create a bulk sites. So the command I will use is import -csv, and then our file that we created, site collection.csv, and we will use a where clause with the new -spo site. Okay, so let me paste the command and I will take you through the commands. So this is the command. Okay, so import -csv, your file name, site collection. Okay, let me give it exactly. Okay, .csv. Okay, then we will be pipe it into a where clause where then we use the new SPO, new -spo site -owner. Then we pick it from the our site file $_dot owner. Then the storage data $_storage data, the URL $_dot URL, no wait -resource quota $_resource quota -template. Again we have give it in the file, time zone ID and title. Okay, hit enter. So this is going to read the CSV file multiple times, and it's going to create all the sites in a single shot. Okay, it's giving error, cannot convert. So there is some mistake. Okay, this one I made a mistake. I didn't properly format it. You have to make sure that that's one thing with the bulk imports. You have to make sure that it's properly created. So this was the mistake. Okay, so there was a colon in front of it, my account name, and it's very informative. The errors are very informative. You can see that is showing what the error is, and just seeing at the URL I can find out that I made a mistake. Okay, let's not redo this. So I'm going to, we have created 3 of the sites, so I'm just going to confirm whether those sites are created. Only one site wasn't created, which is the, I think, the project site, because of a mistake. So same old friend, get a -spo site -detail format table. Voila, team site 01 is created, blob 01 is created, community 01 is created. You can see how fast we created 3 site collections within a matter of few minutes. That's how effective it is. I will share you all these commands and in the PowerShell command, the command section in my site, so that you can use it, copy and use it whenever you want. Okay. Okay, the final topic is deleting the site. Okay, so to delete the site, the command is remove -spo site. Okay, let me paste it here. Let me do a clear screen first. Go and paste it here. So the command is remove -spo site -identity and the your SharePoint online site you want to remove. Okay, the URL of the SharePoint online site collection you want to remove. Hit enter. It will ask for a confirmation. Okay, click yes. It will take some time. And it will remove your SharePoint online site. So you can do that confirmation. Let's open the Internet Explorer. I don't know this. to do a refresh, I think. Oh, refresh. We can see that test 011 is no longer available. Okay. Uh, Even if you remove it, it still stays in the recycle bin. Okay. If you click on the recycle bin, you should be able to see the site. So this is a fault tolerance mechanism, we can say. Somebody accidentally deleted a site. Okay. SharePoint Online doesn't remove it immediately, so you can always come here and select the site and click restore deleted site. So this will restore the site collection. Okay. For the sake of this test, I'm going to show how to do it in the from the PowerShell command. Okay. So now you have deleted the site. It stays in the recycle bin for 30 days before it's completely deleted. So now we are going to see how to restore it. The command is restore-spo delete site, deleted site. Restore-spo deleted site. Hyphen identity, the site that you deleted. Hit enter. Now it's going to go to the recycle bin, going to fetch your site and restore it where the way it was. So you should not worry if your L2 or L1 team does a mistake. Uh, so you can always restore it back. So to confirm it's restored, I'm going to use my old friend get-spo site command. You can see my site is restored. Test 011. Okay. Okay. Let's say there is a resource constraint. Your manager wants to remove the site completely, immediately, and free up the resources. Uh, Permanently delete the site. Then there's option for that as well. So the command is first you have to do the old command remove-spo site. Okay. Let me do a CLS. The command is remove-spo site-identity, then your SharePoint online site you want to delete. Click enter. So it's going to ask for a confirmation. Click yes. It's going to take a few minutes. Voila, your site is deleted. So let me use one of our old command that get SPO site to see whether our site is deleted. Yeah, it no longer that test011 is no longer there. Okay, but that site still stays in the recycle bin for 30 days before it's completely removed. But if you want to remove it immediately, then there is a command for that as well. So the command is remove spo deleted site. Remove-spo deleted site. That's the command. So I'm going to use CLS. So you can see remove-spo deleted site -identity. Then your SharePoint site you want to completely delete. You don't even want it in the recycle bin. Hit enter. It's going to ask for a confirmation. Click yes. it's gone. So let me open the Internet Explorer, and I'm just going to refresh to see. Yeah, it's not even in the recycle bin. So it's completely gone and your resources are immediately freed. So this is how you completely deleted a complete site collection. Okay. So this is the end-to-end SharePoint monitoring, SharePoint management using the SharePoint online PowerShell commands. You can see you can manage your site, create a site, delete a site, you know, and you can manage it completely using SharePoint only. You don't need a GUI, and you can create bulk sites very effectively. I hope this has been useful for you, and thank you for watching.